Answering another question from Curly Whirly, apparently it's only temporary relief for acupuncture. The great thing about acupuncture is, and the difference between acupuncture and biomedicine is, when you're taking pharmaceuticals, say it reduces the symptoms or relieves inflammation only momentarily. As soon as you stop, the inflammation comes right back. Your blood pressure comes back up, your blood sugars come back up, your inflammation comes right back. And you're pretty much, it's pretty much a life sentence on these pills the rest of your life. It just masks the symptoms, and sometimes I understand you have no choice if it's something very fatal, but most of the time when we see chronic pain or vertigo or other issues, it is completely reversible and you don't need to be on pills the rest of your life. So the thing with acupuncture is, the beautiful part is, I learned this from my mentor, it retrains your brain to move blood to those areas on its own so the body can heal. So when you go see an acupuncturist, you may experience relief from the vertigo. It could be anywhere from 3 hours to 6 hours to a day to 3 days. But as the acupuncture treatments progress, you gain more momentum. The relief lasts from days to weeks to months, and eventually they wean you off the acupuncture and you don't have to be doing acupuncture. So you may start off with, say, twice a week for about anywhere from 4 to 8 weeks. You start to taper off to once every 2 weeks, once every month, and then by then you should be done and the vertigo should have mostly resolved itself. It's not one of those hamster wheel things where you're supposed to be on the drugs or you're supposed to be on acupuncture forever. Acupuncture, a lot of our patients do come in for maintenance probably about once a month, once every 4 to 5 weeks, but that's completely up to you. But I hope this helps.